this is a curveball. That I was going to have to come looking for you.
I'm not gonna let you hurt anyone else.
I'm only here to hurt you, buddy.
Yeah? And why'd you kill Albert Rothstein? And why do you look like him?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
I'm about to.
Is there really no way of knowing what's going on there?
I'm looking for the security cameras. Booyah.
My turn.
Dad.
Maybe I can make it there.
No, you won't. And what are you gonna do when you get there? The boot didn't work on him.
Alarmed.
Believe me, we're all alarmed.
No, the alarm system. You've tapped into the surveillance cameras, correct?
Correct. Come on, feel the noise.
He said you were some kind of big hero, but you don't seem worthy of him or this city.
Professor Stein, you are a genius.
I believe that's already been well established.
The Flash, season premiere this Tuesday at 8/7 Central on the CW.